How to create and sketch the floor in Revit. Firstly, I draw the floor on level 1 that is 2 inch. In Properties, click Edit Type and duplicate the floor to change the thickness of floor. Sketch the floor in level 1 by clicking the rectangle. After draw the closed boundary, click tick mark. Sketch the floor on level 2. After draw the closed boundary, click tick mark. Changing the thickness after draw. In Properties, click Edit Type and duplicate the floor to change the thickness of floor.